Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So okay, in this video we are going to talk about what are the measures that I'm going to follow in my first year of college. So as most of you would know that I've just passed my 12th and my 12th is all completed and I've scored good average marks. And now I'm going to proceed for my BA LLB 5 years integrated course. Yes, your girl is going to become a lawyer because I already argue like one, so instead I'll get paid for it. And the fact that, I've given CET, and for that, there are a lot of things that are not going the way it was supposed to go. So my admission is going to be very, very, very late because of which my vacations are literally expanding and expanding, and the fact that I don't even have any problem because I'm getting time for my content creation to putting videos on YouTube, because I know for a fact once degree college will start I'll not get time. So I'll have to pack up each and everything on time, and I have to be very disciplined. At this point I am currently not, but let's get right into it. If you are also the one who passed 12th right now and you are going into the first year of college, then I guess this would help you, because see, I have had exposure of junior college, so I know that थोड़ा बहुत कि college कैसा होने वाला है. So there are some measures that I do want to follow from my end. First measure would be friendship. So, I know there are many people in my contacts who have told me that Mannat, the first year of friendships are not going to stick in your fourth year or fifth year. And to be specific, I don't really have any issue with that, because I am that one friend who outgrows, who just, very good at detachment. So, I understand that people outgrow, but at the same time, I want friends who align with me, who are exactly like me, who have the same goals like me, who are not distracted. And I want friends who are like, much more passionate, disciplined, and ambitious than me. Like, I want to learn from my friends. So it's better that I get some friends from whom I get inspired. वरना तुम्हारी दोस्ती का क्या फायदा अगर तुम सिर्फ रफंटरगिरी करने के लिए मेरे साथ दोस्त हो, then why? Like, see, बकचोदी करना एंड बकचोदी के साथ दोस्तों से कुछ सीखना इज लाइक दीज बोथ आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो बेसिकली आई एम गोइंग टू चूज माई सर्कल वेरी स्पेसिफिकली, बिकॉज आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि ये वही दोस्त है जो मेरी शादी में नाचने वाले हैं कुत्तों की तरह. सो इट्स बेटर कि मैं उनको फ्री का खाना ना दूँ, मैं उनको एक वैल्यूएबल रिश्ता दूँ. एंड इट इज सपोज टू बी म्यूचुअल. सो आई नीड टू हैव अ वेरी रैशनल माइंडसेट कि ठीक है, अगर फ्रेंडशिप टूटेंगी टूटेंगी, लेकिन आई वॉन्ट टू attract very good friendships, like very intense friendships, and I'm all open for all the heartbreaks and friendships and academics, whatever. But all I want is valuable friendship, valuable lesson. That is it. Second thing would be academics and my relationship with teachers. So basically, I've done this one mistake that, in my junior college, I have not been very good with all the teachers. I don't even want to be good with all the teachers, because I know for a fact there are going to be teachers who are going to hate me for no fucking reason, and I'm okay with that. Okay, but I want to be in good books of teachers. By good books I mean like a student जिस पे teacher would look up to, that okay, she is the one who is the rebel one, who won't listen to any shit, and they would know how I process, because good teachers let you be you. Trust me. To be specific, I want to be in a good book of teachers, not in a puppet way. Like, I just don't want to be the tail and just move along with them. Like, no, that is not my vibe. I just want to have very fun and very valuable relationships with my college teachers, because I know for a fact that they are going to last long for my entire life. Like, I am going to tell my kids story times about how I bunked my lectures, how my teachers was so good or so bad or whatever. So, like, I want to have that relationship with my teachers. And in my academics also, like, they shouldn't be like, okay, this girl is someone who is not focusing on her academics and only focusing on her friendships and whatever. Although I know कि अभी मैं जो अपने parameters रख रही हूँ, when I'll get into the actual college life, it will get very hard for me to process all those things. But I know for a fact that even if it doesn't go my way, initially, it will go exactly how I wanted it to be eventually. So I'm just gonna have a lot of faith in universe and in God, because I know for a fact that I will attract something really very good in college, whether in terms of friendship, whether in terms of academics or whatnot, because I have had enough of struggles in my school life. So I really want my college life to be bit kind to me. And the third thing would be extracurricular activities. So in my FYGC and SYGC, I did not participate much in extra activities such as participating in events or whatever. I really do want to, because I have this one thing in my subconscious mind that I sometimes get very social anxiety. I get very nervous while talking to people, because there were times that I was really very depressed and I was just sitting at my home and doing nothing. So, I have to always fake my confidence whenever I'm in this sort of a situation. और जब मैं वो चीज़ करती हूँ ना, तो it actually leads to me feeling confident again in myself and with myself, and just putting myself out there. All I want to do is to push myself to just be in any club, or just to do something, because something is better than nothing. Okay, so the last thing and the fourth thing for this video would be that I'm someone who is like very overly raged person. I don't know how to like explain it, but if I know that this person is getting on my nerves, if I know that I'm getting disrespected at this moment, I'll fuck that person up. I'll say so many things. I'll drain out the fuck myself. And I know I turn my anger into a rage. So basically, what I want to have control in my college life, specifically in my first year, like 6 months of my first year, until people know me very well, I wanna work on is giving no reaction, because that is what triggers the people most. For example, if I did something which irritates you the most, and if you do not give me any sort of a reaction, I'll get triggered, because भाई मैंने इतना सब कुछ कर दिया और तुमने एक भी रिएक्शन नहीं दिया, तो मैं तुम्हें और कुछ बोलूंगी, तुम और रिएक्शन नहीं दोगे, मेरा ईगो हर्ट हो जाएगा. And that way you will have the brownie points. So that is all what I really want to work on. So if someone is getting on my nerves, and if that is something, if I'm getting slut shamed or whatever, then obviously I would love to take my stand, and whatever poking me and saying something about my looks or my social media or my family or whatever, or like making assumptions about me, making rumors about me, I should be reactionless. Like, even if I know what you're trying to say, I'll just detach myself with a situation. I will not drain out my energy, and I will let you be you, and I will give no reaction, so that I can get the brownie points and I can see your ego is literally exploding, and I will watch that fireworks from very far. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you all like this video. So if you're someone like me, please do leave a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.